Good morning, students. This is our conversation class. What we are doing in conversation? We are doing reading or writing some lines on Durga Puja. Okay? Durga Puja. What is the first line I told you? First line is Durga Puja is the important and is the one of the most important and religious festival of Hindus. What we can say? Number 1, Durga Puja is one of the most important Durga Puja is one of the most important and religious festival of Hindus. Okay, what is the first line I have teach you? Durga Puja is one of the most important and religious festival of Hindus. Okay, next, number 2. What is the next thing? This festival is celebrated in September or October, or you can say this festival is celebrated in autumn. Okay, so again I am writing this festival is celebrated in September or October. Okay, this festival is celebrated in September or October. Understand? Or you can say celebrated in October or in autumn. Okay, in autumn. Number 3. What I have teach you? Number 3. We worship Goddess Durga who killed Mahishasura. Okay, again. We worship Goddess Durga who killed Mahishasura. Okay. We worship Goddess Durga who killed Mahishasura. Okay, these 3 lines I have teach you earlier. Again say, Durga Puja is one of the most important and religious festival of Hindus. This festival is celebrated in September or October or in autumn. We worship Goddess Durga who killed Mahishasura. Now number 4, it is the festival of good over evil. What is number 4? It is the festival. It is the festival of good over evil. You know there are good people also and in nature and some are evil people. So it is what? Evil people die and good people will raise up. So It is the festival of good over evil. Okay? It is the festival of good over evil. Next, everyone wears new clothes. Okay? Eat a variety of food and sweets. Okay? Everyone wear What is the next? Number 5. Everyone wears new clothes. Okay, everyone wears new clothes. Eat a variety of food and sweets. Okay? Everyone, what they do? You all, what you have done? Wear new clothes now? So everyone wears new clothes and eat variety of foods. Eat variety of food and sweets. Okay? Then last word. We wear new clothes. We have already done. You can say or not say. Then we can also say that we do pandal hopping with our family and friends to celebrate puja with joy. We do pandal hopping. We do pandal hopping with our family, with our family with our family and friends and friends to celebrate puja with joy. To celebrate puja with joy. Okay, 3 more lines you have learned today. What are they? It is the festival of good over evil. Then everyone wears new clothes and eat variety of food and sweets. And last one, we do pandal hopping with our family and friends to celebrate the puja with joy. Okay, understand? So this is all about Durga Puja. You have enjoyed? So you should know how to say about something about Durga Puja. Okay? Go through it and learn it. Now come to the next part. In your tune-in book, chapter number 8, what it is written? I feel happy. Okay? It is all about your feelings. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to express your feeling, your needs. Then, how to offer food, drinks to others. Then, how to accept or reject and offer politely. These are the things we will learn. Means first, how to express your feelings, that you are happy, angry, whatever you are. And then, how to offer somebody, you want this food, you want this. Okay? And last, how to accept and reject and offer very politely. This is all about in this chapter. So first one, see here, number 8. Look at the picture, draw and make these faces look happy, sad and angry. These 3 parts you will do by yourself. Happy, sad and angry you will draw. Okay. Next come to page number 61, B1. What it is written? Listen to some people talk about how they feel. Here They are sharing their feelings. You have to listen the track. So I am saying, see the number 1 picture. The girl. What is she is saying? Hello, I am Neeti. Okay. I feel thirsty. I want to drink water. What she is saying? I am Neeti. Okay. I feel thirsty. I need water to drink. Next, number 2. What he is saying? Hello, my name is Naman. Okay. I feel hot. I feel hot. I want to switch on the fan. I want to switch on the fan. Okay. Next. See number 3. His name is Shafiq. He is saying, I am Shafiq. I feel hungry. I feel hungry. I want to eat a lot of food. Okay. Next, number 4. This is who? His name is Arvind. What he say? I feel cold. He is feeling what? Cold. He want a sweater. What he want? He want a sweater. And last, number 5. She is Anna. She is saying that she feels tired. So, she wants a bed to rest. Understand this? So, they are expressing their feeling. You have to listen the track. Then you have to learn what they are feeling. Okay? And what they are saying, that what they need. Understand? So, today's teaching over, students. Go through it, what I have teach, and learn it. Okay, student? Thank you.